Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a Mortise cylinder by Ilco. The nice thing about this one is it's about half the size of a standard Mortise cylinder. As you can see, about half the size there. So anyway, let's go ahead and see if we can't pick this guy open, shall we? So, let me find my tension wrench. Oh, it's already in there. Here's something you don't see me use very often. Little diamond guy. Anyway. We're going to reset and start over again here. Uh-oh, we're stuck. There we go. Oh. Sorry about that. My friggin' meaty hooks getting in the way. There we go. We got her. Sweet. Did take a minute, but there she is. Let's go ahead and open the sucker up and see what we got here inside. There we go. And we're going to put this on here. See what we have here. Oops. Not gonna work. Unprepared. Mr. K1 is unprepared today. That's alright. I can afford to be unprepared sometimes. I have a key for this, so we're going to lock it back up. Alright, there we go, sweet. Get this out of here. And let's see if this works. Hopefully it does. Oh, it does. Sweet. Sweet. Okay, here we go. 5 pin, like I said. Let's see what we have here. Standard. 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 It's like standard across the board there. Here's the key, by the way, just so you can see that. All right. Ooh, battery is running out, so we gotta hurry, folks. Like a standard. Oh, serrated. Standard. Oops. That's a serrated on 5 and oh. There we go.
I'm reminding you. Take your meds, my love.
Oh boy. And there we go. Sweet. So hopefully before this dies, let's go ahead and double check and see what we got here. We have standard, 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 standard.
I'm reminding
And then we have standard, a serrated, standard, standard, and a serrated. Thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.